video is brought to you by Thesis123.com. I learn and teach online.
Hello everybody. Now we will discuss about variables, that is part 2. It consists of rules of assigning variables and some predefined variables. Let's have a look about rules of assigning variables. Okay, here we have a 6 rules within the MATLAB software. We have to keep it in our mind when we are assigning the variables within the MATLAB software. First thing, a variable can be up to 131 characters long. That is the first point. And second point, a variable contain letters, numbers and underscores. And next, third point, a variable must begin with a letter, not with a number. Keep it in your mind. Variable must begin with a letter, not with a number or any with special characters. Coming to the fourth point, MATLAB distinguish between upper and lower case orders. That is, it may be capital letters or it may be small letters. For example, I had written there NAME within the cap letters, uppercase, or NAME, name, starting letter as uppercase and other remaining letters are the lowercase, or NAME, that is all the lowercase letters, are the different variables. Not they are all are same, they are different variables. Coming to the fifth point, variables should not have blank space. You didn't kept any blank space within the variable assigning. Okay, and last but not the least, that is the sixth point, built-in functions and keyboards should not be used as a variable. Once again I will repeat it for you. Built-in functions and keywords should not be used as a variables. Whatever we discussed, the rules of assigning variables within the MATLAB software, we can see now using MATLAB software. Okay, as an example, I want to show what are the valid variables depending upon rules of the assigning variables. I will show you valid variables and invalid variables, how to assign the variables based upon the rules. Okay, now I am entering the valid variables for you. Valid variables, we want to check out valid variables. Okay, now x1, this is the one variable, a, b, c, all the characters, a, b, c, 1 and d, this is another variable, this is also valid, a, b, c underscore d, this is also one valid variable, or NAME, name, or my underscore name. These are all valid variables. Here see, the variable must be start with only letter, not with a digit or a number. Okay, according to rules we have to go in here. Variables may contain numbers, characters, that means letters, or underscores. These are all will be there. Whatever the example I explain here, these three things are available within these valid variables, and the valid variable must be begin with letter only, not with a number. Here we can distinguish uppercase and lowercase letters. Okay, within the middle of the any variable we didn't keep blank, that means space, when you are assigning the variables within the MATLAB software. And next one, built-in functions, that is nothing but maybe sine, cos, angle, like this. These are all built-in functions. Okay, built-in functions within the MATLAB software. And also there are some keywords within the MATLAB. Those are if, for, or while. These are keywords. Okay, these two things should not be used in the assigning of variables at any cost within the MATLAB software. Okay, if, for, while are the keywords, and built-in functions are sine, cos, angles as a variables. We can't use these things as a variables because these are invalid functions or invalid keywords within the MATLAB software because they are already built in. Okay, now I will show you invalid variables. Those are nothing but this is invalid variable because it is starting with numerical number. Okay, and next thing, my space name, because here we can't use any blank or space. Okay, use of blank is invalid within the MATLAB software for assigning the variables. And one more thing is that angle, because it is a built-in function. So these things we can't be used within the MATLAB software because these are invalid variables. Okay, these are the examples which I have shown you difference between valid and invalid variables for assigning the variables within the MATLAB software. Now we will see some predefined variables, that is nothing but special variables. Okay, some special variables we can see within the MATLAB software. Here some of the frequently used variables are predefined in the MATLAB. These are known as special variables and should not be used by the user. A user can redefine these predefined variables. However, the special variables like pi, that means pi, EPS and infinity are usually not redefined, whereas the variables I and j can be used in the loops in the absence of complex variables. Okay, now we will see the what are the predefined variables within the MATLAB software by using MATLAB. Right, here we know very well that this is predefined variables which we can't use within the MATLAB software, I mean by the user. It is automatically predefined within the MATLAB software, that is pi equal to 3.1416, right? And example, and also one more thing is there, ANS, answer. This is also we can't use within the MATLAB software by the user. These are all already predefined. Okay, we can't get, that is the answer also it is coming because it is predefined. It is not we cannot redefine that one, that is we can't change that one. Okay, or infinite, INF, right? This is the command. What we get answer, that is infinite only because we can't change that one. And also one more thing will be there. EPS is smallest difference between two numbers, that is nothing but 2 power minus 52, that the value is 2.2204 e power minus 16. A specific accuracy of floating point precision. This is also one more thing, EPS also. Okay, and other variables are also there within the MATLAB which are already predefined. Okay, that is nothing but it's a indicated undefined numerical result, that is not a number. Okay, for example 0 by 0, what we get, nan. Okay, it is not a number, and some of the things will be there which we can be used as a variables, that is nothing but I and j. This can be used within the loops where the complex variables are absent. For example, I clicking I is nothing but we get the answer, that is because it is taken as an imaginary value. Okay, these are the some predefined variables within the MATLAB software which we can't redefine. Okay, we can't change that predefined values. What we discussed within the predefined variables, that is nothing but special variables, pi, answer, infinity, exponential, that is nan, in not a number, and it is a imaginary value which we can use in the loop. That's all for this video. Within the coming video we can learn about initialization of variables.
Thank you for watching this video. For future videos, please click here to subscribe YouTube channel. Visit our site thesis123.com for free student project or research ideas and online training. Follow us Facebook, Twitter, Google+ and Pinterest.